Daxxify is a prescription medicine for adults that is injected into muscles to temporarily improve the look of moderate to severe frown lines between the eyebrows. Glabellar lines. Daxxify is a botulinum toxin product that works by inhibiting the transmission of specific chemical signals from nerves, primarily the signals that cause muscular contractions. It works by temporarily relaxing the facial muscles that cause wrinkles between the eyebrows, reducing their appearance. Indications. Daxxify is used to help smooth moderate to severe lines between the eyebrows. It is formulated to be a long-lasting frown line treatment, lasting on average 6 months and up to 9 months in some. It is not known if Daxxify is safe and effective in children less than 18 years of age. How to use. Daxxify is an injection that your healthcare provider will give you. Daxxify is injected into your affected muscles. Your healthcare provider may change your dose until you and your healthcare provider find the best dose for you. Daxxify should not be received more than 1 time every 3 months. Your healthcare provider will tell you how often you will receive your dose of Daxxify injections. Usual dose for glabellar lines. 0.1 ml 8 units, by intramuscular injection into each of 5 sites for a total dose of 40 units. Contraindications. You should not receive Daxxify if you are allergic to Daxxify or any of the other ingredients, had an allergic reaction to any other botulinum toxin product, have a skin infection at the plant injection site. Warnings. Daxxify may cause loss of strength or general muscle weakness, blurred vision, or drop in eyelids within hours to weeks of receiving Daxxify. If this happens, do not drive a car, operate machinery, or do other dangerous activities. Spread of toxin effects. In some cases, the effect of botulinum toxin may affect areas of the body away from the injection site and cause symptoms of a serious condition called botulism. Daxxify side effects. Daxxify may cause serious side effects, including heart problems, irregular heartbeats, and heart attacks that have resulted in death have happened in some people who received botulinum toxin products. Eye problems, dry eye, reduced blinking, and corneal problems have happened in some people who received Daxxify-treated glabellar lines. Tell your healthcare provider if you develop eye pain or irritation, sensitivity to light, or changes in vision. Allergic reactions. Symptoms of an allergic reaction may include itching, rash, redness, swelling, wheezing, trouble breathing, or dizziness or feeling faint. Tell your healthcare provider or get medical help right away if you have wheezing or trouble breathing, or if you feel dizzy or faint. The most common side effects include headache, eyelid drooping, loss of the ability to move the muscles in your face.